We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. And even if we refer to our last analysis, we mentioned we want to see the breakout of 28.7, following by 30.6 and 30.32.2. As we can see, the price broke the three levels we have been looking for, and no one see what's the next. Anyway, for those traders, they get the trade within this move. They need to book some profit. Either move their stop loss to somewhere around 330.4 or 31.3, depends where they want to put the trade, either below this correction, move their stop loss below this correction, or here. At least they need to book this profit. Now want to see whether the price can break 33.7, and right now this is what we're looking for. We need to see the breakout of the 33.7. Okay, anyway, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what's the next and what we have been looking for. Anyway, we have been looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. And the only thing is we want to see whether the price can break the previous top, which is 33.7, and even is a 61% of this move. All right, this is what we need to be quite careful. We need to see the breakout of the 33.7. This is what I'm looking for at this time. And again, if you refer to our analysis, one of the reasons we need to see the breakout of the previous top, because still we can expect this one turn to correction relative to this as a flat. And if it turns correct and we don't see the breakout of the previous top, maybe we get one more drop. That's why we need to book some profit within this move. And we need to see the confirmation for the breakout of the 33.7. This is what we're looking for. But whether we should look for trade or not, but based on forward chart, we don't see any trade setup. We need to get the correction before we take the trade. And as long as the price haven't break the 33.7, any trade based on lower time frame we consider as a short-term trade. And if we move to 1 hour chart, we don't see any trade setup. And for if anyone get the trade from here, which is not a really good idea, at least they should know if the prices didn't move in 1 or maximum 2 hours. At least they take out the trade in the break even, or if they can move their stop loss to break even. All right, they move their stop loss to the break even. Okay, anyway, the only things that right now we're looking for, we need to see the breakout of the 33.7. This is what we're looking for. All right, and the best things is if it followed by deeper correction, and if the price couldn't break the 33.7, any reversal rejection as a sharp move flag, this is where we need to take out our trades, and then from there we need to make a decision whether we should look for sell or not. This is similar to what we get here. That's why we need to be quite careful. Anyway, we just follow the chart. At this point, we don't see a really good trade setup to look for. And again, if you want to look for trade, as long as the price haven't break the 33.7, any trade within this, mostly we need to trade based on lower time frame, 15 minute. If you want to look for trade, we consider it as a short term. But we prefer either to get a deeper correction or we see the confirmation for the 33.7. Then from there, we look for the trade. Anyway, it depends on the traders and the strategy they use. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.